Video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course this trend started from this resistance zone. It started a downtrend right from here, and you can see the red flag and the red arrow, and it kept on selling till it got to this support zone. So it tried out an uptrend, okay, for a while, but it didn't go smoothly. Okay, so it's trying to sell at the moment. If it's able to break out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. But at the moment it is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, this might not be for long anyway. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right here. This is boom 500. It had been on uptrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so it has gotten to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to go back into a downtrend. But if it does not, it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for long also, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. It started an uptrend right from this support zone and kept on buying till it got to this region. Okay, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, and if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. This is still buying at the moment, but if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it's going to sell. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started a downtrend right from here, and it kept on selling till it got to this region, but at the moment it's going back on buy trend right now. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right here. V75 had been on downtrend for long. It got to this support zone, had a pullback, and of course it's going back there to see if it will break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on a buy trend, but for now this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys can take note of all these and of course apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. In case you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.